Okay, so bought a trailer. It's a 16 foot, I think it's 16 by 6. I'll measure it and find out for sure. Had to put a new jack on it. It needs new lights. More importantly, it needs ramps for the back so I can start getting my property cleaned up, because I need to get this thing loaded up. I'm tired of it sitting here. That transmission right there, I'm going to turn into a sink for the bathroom. It's going to be inside the shop. I'm going to be cleaning all of this stuff out. I'm going to be insulating, walling up all of this stuff, and then putting up some more lights. Got a new truck, so I need to go pick up an adapter for that. I got my customer's truck is out of the way now. He was overly joyed with the work that was done. Very happy, and I'm very happy to have a satisfied customer. That makes me feel good. He likes what I did. So all of this stuff, I'm going to be cleaning out everything in here. I'm going to be cleaning off that back wall. I'm going to be fixing my electrical booger here, running some more shop lights, and just genuinely cleaning out this whole area here so that I can start to close this all in. As far as the truck goes, it's a 2017 F-250 Lariat with a 6.7 liter diesel. With that, I can finally finish in all of this stuff. I had to pay a huge delivery fee for these stones, and I couldn't even get them all. My truck was not powerful enough to be able to pull these stones in though by itself. I've got access to other much heavier duty trailers than the little cargo trailer that I've got. All of this needs to be filled in with granite. I need to back down right here, dump it, and it's spread out to finish up the front yard. I did all of this stuff in here. We dug all this stuff out. I set those rocks in. All of those stones right there, about 2,500 pounds each. And there's 20 of them. Got the motorcycle is out of the way currently. Get that out of the way of the shop so I can get all that stuff cleaned up. But I want to finish up my front yard, get all this stuff cleaned up, and I couldn't do that with my other truck. So we ended up upgrading to this beast right here. Looking at this, I think I have a 2.5, not a 3, because it's definitely not that big. So 2.5, just a piece of square tubing. Alright, so I just got word that I can go pick up the dump trailer right now, and that's the trailer that I need to pick up all of my landscaping material. So I'm headed over to go pick that up. I'll go get myself a bunch of heavy rocks, dump that in my front yard. Figure I'd top off on fuel real quick before pulling a super heavy trailer, even if it is only for a few miles. I'm paranoid about running out of fuel as it is, and even more so in a diesel is the last thing I want to do, is run out of fuel. So I don't let it get below a quarter of a tank. But now that I got that taken care of, I can rest easy and get to the rest of my work for the day. Alright, where I'm at, I need to pick up this trailer. Okay, so real quick comparison right here. This trailer empty weighs 3,500 pounds. I've towed it empty with my F-150 before, and my truck felt it. And as of right now, I can't even tell that it's back there. So the truck doesn't even know that it's there right now. Go grab some lunch real quick, and then I'm gonna swing over to the what do you call it, the quarry landscaping rock place, and buy some, probably about 4 tons, maybe 5, but probably about 4 tons of material. We'll fill this thing up and dump it. Okay, so now I'm loaded up with all my granite. See if I can make the loop to get out of here. I can feel the weight now. I got 4 yards at just over a ton, so I'm sitting on probably about 5 tons in that trailer. That 10,000 pounds, which total would put me at around 13, right between 13 and 14,000 pounds in the trailer. And I can feel the weight back there. It doesn't feel bad, it's pulling just fine, but oh yeah, I can feel it now. The poor F-150 couldn't even hang with just the empty trailer. Sure as heck wouldn't have taken this weight. Gotta work for your lunch today. So my decomposed granite is all laid out. I still need to come in and pack it, and I need to kill the plants that are coming through. I was going to put down fabric and then was told not to even worry about putting down fabric because this stuff is like soil. The seeds can get embedded in here and they can germinate from the granite, so there was no point. They just said just chemically treat all of this, and for the most part this is all bedrock. This right down in here, and I had to break a lot of this stuff up, so I still need, this is about 5,000, no, this is four yards at 2,300 pounds a yard. So what is that? Comes out to 4.5 tons total. 4.5 tons, and then a 3,500 pound trailer. I had to back down this hill. Of course, you just saw that. I dumped this granite, spread it all out, and I need to go get some more. But just wanted to share real quick what I had going on and why I had it going on. So now with this truck, there's a lot more that I need to get done. I'm working on the trailer, and I'm working on videos for working on the trailer right now. Working on trying to clear out that little guy right there, and then this little guy right there I'm just gonna throw away. Anyway, if you follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, I've got photographs. I've already uploaded photographs of the wheels for the truck that's going to be going in there, and a couple other projects. I've got a couple other short little videos in addition to the trailer ramps that I'm working on. I've got a couple other videos that I'm also going to be throwing up in the meantime before I get to the truck and get working back on that playlist. But anyway, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Just wanted to kind of give you a heads up, let you know what was going on. I'll catch you later.